Okuma offers both OSP and FANUC controls on select model machines. This is an overview of the steps necessary to do a tool offset. Step 1. Select Manual Mode. Step 2. Move the tool to the known location. Step 3. Select the Tool Offset button. Step 4. Highlight the selected offset. Step 5. On the OSP control, press Calculate, the F3 key. Push 0, press Input. On the FANUC control, press Z. Push 0, press Measure. And that is how you set tool length offsets for both OSP and FANUC controls.